Now we're on to question 3, and we have areas and volumes question. We're going to first of all find the volume of this box here by using the formula the volume is equal to the length by the width by the height. So substitute in your values. So the length is 35, the width is 46 centimeters, and the height is 16. So when you multiply them all out, we're going to get 25200 or 25,200, and then we're going to get centimeters. As it's 3 dimensions, it will be cubed. Now we have a candle, and we're getting the volume of the candle just in an algebraic form in terms of R and pi. So use your formula. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r squared h. Sub in your value, so we just put in pi here. R squared is just going to be r squared, as the variable is r, and h is 9. So just tidying it up, we can say it's 9 pi r squared centimeters cubed. And in the final part, we have a conversion. So the block of wax is melted, okay, that's the original volume. We're going to use 90% of that as 10% of the wax is wasted, okay, so we get 90% of the original volume. We're going to equate that to 100 candles, and we're going to solve for the radius. So let's put it all together now. So the original volume of the box is going to be 200, 25200. 90% of that, as we have 10% wasted, okay, so we're going to multiply it by 90%. So it's the same as multiplying by 0.9 or multiply by 90 over 100. Okay, and we're going to get a value of 22680. Okay, again, centimeters cubed. So that's what's going to be available. Now we're going to equate that to 100 candles. So we have one candle, so we have 100 multiplied by what we did in part B, which was 9 pi r squared. Now set it all together in a balanced equation. So now we're back to algebra and we're going to solve for r. Okay, so let's do the algebra. So if we just rearrange it, put it back to front. So what we're going to do here now, we're going to take all of these values here, okay, which are 9 by 100 by pi, which is 900 pi, and divide it into our volume. Okay, so we just rearrange it. So we're going to have 22680 divided by 9 by 100 by pi, so that's 900 pi. Okay, and now we're going to get the square root of both sides. So we're going to get r is equal to the square root of the right hand side, 22680 over 900 pi. Just be careful to put it in your calculator in a fraction form and put brackets around it. And we'll get a value of r as 2.83, and we're going to round it to one decimal place. So look up at the question and you can see it's going to be one decimal place, so 2.83. Therefore, we can say r is approximately 2.8 centimeters.